if you don't know why you're charging $35 for a haircut, or if the reason why you're charging $35 for a haircut is because your competition charges right around that price, you're wrong. What we need to understand is that the key to pricing, the key to raising your prices is... Quickly before we get into the rest of the video, if you're watching this video, if you like it, please like, subscribe, comments, because we want to know if it's good content for you, and share, because this is information that every barber should have, even not just barber, business person should have. So if you like what you're about to watch, you guys can do that right now. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Watch the entire video. At the end, we have something special for you, so please watch the entire video. And our goal is to really return our knowledge back to our community. You know what I mean? That's the barber community, that's the hair community. Also, we've fully restocked our hair units on dabs.ca, and we are currently enrolling semester by semester at academy.dabs.ca. We are teaching a full hair loss specialist course that includes a hair unit and an SMP course. So if you're interested in that, please go academy.dabs.ca. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching.
I know there's one young boy from the way. He done time, but it come without play. Try to tell him that crime don't pay. Plus he's on the edge cause they know where he stay. He was outside trying to get roads taped. All the chilled in Netflix with Bay. But now it's 10 toes on the
Damn.
So then you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to raise your prices. When we moved to this neighborhood, I did my due diligence. I did my research. The average household income in this neighborhood is $250,000 per house. I planted my barbershop right on prime time, right in front where everybody could see it. Beautiful strip. I assumed, and I was partially right, that people would be willing to pay $50, $60, $70 for a haircut. I was right. But you know, the thing is, if you don't know why you're successful, you're wrong. You failed, automatic. Failure isn't about losing or isn't about winning. It's about not understanding why you win or why you lose. And you gotta take that responsibility. So I planted a shop here. But the one thing I realized, and this was what was scary at the beginning, because I took on a lot of overhead, a lot more than what I was paying for rent before for this prime time location. But when we first got here, a lot of people, I noticed, still responded the same way if we were to raise our old prices in our other locations. And the reason is, and this is one thing people have to understand, okay? Just because somebody has money, okay? Just because a celebrity has money, just because somebody comes into your shop and they drive a G-Wagon or a Lamborghini, doesn't mean they're willing to pay $100 for a haircut. As a barber, you have to understand that you are responsible for two things: designing the experience and choosing the price. The client determines if coming into this space is worth paying $65 for a cut. You know what I mean? That's the client's decision. We design our experience and we attach a price tag to it. Now, to determine that price tag, that is up to you to do your work, your due diligence, your research, you know, and it's actually relatively simple. And I do have an outline of how exactly to do it. And we're gonna get to that momentarily, because this outline will change your perspective, it'll change your business mindset. Because if you don't know why you're charging $35 for a haircut, or if the reason why you're charging $35 for a haircut is because your competition charges right around that price, you're wrong. What we need to understand is that the key to pricing, the key to raising your prices, is understanding who your target market is. If you do not know who your target market is, then you are screwed. And the target market, I'll give you an example. For me, when I first came here, was the people in this neighborhood. That was my target market. But little did I know when I came to this neighborhood, not everybody in this neighborhood was my target market, because there was a lot of people that didn't see the value in what we were offering and would not pay the price tag to what we were offering. You know, the price tag that we put on our services. And I realized that there's specific groups And more specifically, if you want to streamline your marketing, your advertising, you want it to be really effective, you need to choose one group. And you got to be able to you want to choose a group that has a lot of people in it. Because there's a lot of people, there's a lot of money. And that was something I overlooked. And that's one thing that most barbers overlook. I went through most of my barber career putting myself in the right positions, doing the right collaborations, assuming that they would work. Now I know why they don't or do work. You know what I mean? And that is super key again. If you're gonna be successful, you want to know why. If you're gonna be unsuccessful, you want to know why. I can't be ignorant to why I'm making certain moves. You know, and a lot of times when we jump into business, it's a whole learning process. You know, I'm ignorant to certain perspectives now that I won't be 6 months from now. That's a fact. I understand the pain that most barbers feel. Most barbers feel like they should be able to earn more money. Most barbers feel that they should have more time to spend with their friends and family. And what they're not understanding is, at the beginning of your career, you make these sacrifices, right? You have to sacrifice. If you're independent worker or you're a barber, whatever, you need to make sacrifices because your availability, your time is what builds your business. If you are not available for your clients, then you will have no business. How many clients do you think, solid clients do you think you have? You know what I mean? And I've done my research, I've looked at my own numbers. There's probably only a max 10% that you can count. Max, and 10% is a lot. So what I'm saying is, the reason I'm teaching the classes I'm teaching and the way I've structured them is because it could take your haircut price from $35 straight to $1,000. You know what I mean? That's what I'm teaching when I'm teaching. I want to extend this experience for us, and I want to send you to our Academy page, a free lesson, okay? I'm gonna show you exactly, step by step, 4 steps, how to choose your target market. And after you watch this, you're gonna understand exactly why your business is the way it is. You're gonna know exactly, pinpoint the mistakes that you've made, and you're gonna be able to fix them. And at the end of the day, from you raising, and you can raise your price $35 to $100, no problem. What I'm showing you right now is good for any business, any business. academy.dance.ca, I'll have a link in the description, a link in the first comment. It's gonna be a video and an assignment. Complete it in its entirety. And I'm gonna show you exactly why you're trapped at $35, or you're trapped at $40, or you're trapped at $50. And on top of that, I'm gonna show you a solution to get you to where you wanna get to based on your goals. Because I've learned so much from business by running a barbershop, not cutting in it, but operating it. I've learned so much by watching and seeing what's going on. I'm gonna show you exactly how to choose the right target market for your business, step by step. I have no doubt this doesn't work. If it doesn't work, I'll let you get into my Hair by Choice program for free. My Hair by Choice program is no joke. Become a dual threat hair loss specialist by getting certified in 2 of the most high in demand non-surgical hair replacement treatments. Learn how to do hair units and learn how to do scalp micropigmentation online in 1 class. Hair by Choice is the first ever certification class to teach both of these high ticket services effectively online. This course is packed with all of the practical and entrepreneurial knowledge you need to know in order to create a non-surgical hair replacement business for yourself, including assignments to practice at home or in shop and submit online before you ever have to experience a client. This is your opportunity to get ahead of the market and build a business not just for you, but for the millions of people who need your help restoring their hair and confidence. Pre-register right now to secure your spot in this highly requested course and get access to the hair unit chapters immediately. Every day you wake up with a chance and a choice. Take advantage of your chance today with Hair by Choice.
Dams.
Hair by Choice program is no joke. In our Hair by Choice program right now, I'm gonna show you what we got. We're teaching barbering. We're teaching the business of barbering. We're teaching hair units. We're teaching the business of hair units. We're teaching scalp micropigmentation and the business of scalp micropigmentation. Go fill up these, whatever I got for you. If it doesn't open your eyes to your business and helps you understand who you're targeting, where you made your mistakes, how you can succeed better, I'll let you in. No problem, bro. I have no problem with that. It's actually crazy. I really, really thoroughly enjoy educating. I love it. And my favorite part of having a barbershop was taking in new barbers and getting them from 0 to 100, like that. Taking that responsibility for them. So now I want to do it with more people online. And that's why I'm just pushing our online courses so much, because they are definitely life changers. And how do I know? Because I've done it. Take crumbs, make bread.